What's up guys? The first thing I did for this build was draw the star. You can base yourself off of this template shown in the screen and you can stop the video to copy it. This star has 4 big rhombus and 4 small ones that we're gonna then paste together to form the star in Captain Marvel's suit. From the already drawn star, I cut out a big and a small rhombus, and I traced both shapes in a piece of cardboard 4 times each. Once you have all 8 pieces, you're gonna fold them in half, and it should look something like this. I also traced and cut out the full star in a piece of cardboard to help as a base. After that, you're gonna fit the pieces in their places, and after you cut it out and folded all the pieces, you're gonna paste them with tape. Once your star is already pasted, you can go ahead and do the last step. The last step is to get your metallic gold paint and cover your star with as many coats as you like, and afterwards let it dry. And after you completed all those steps, your star should look something like this.